that fun? Yeah. Isn't it like fast as hell?
Yeah.
When I used to shoot competitions, sometimes they would like totally, give me crap sometimes because I would shoot too fast. That's neat. See what I'll show you what they did different on the barrel. All the flash suppressor in the old days, they called a compensator, because did you notice when you shot, as soon as you got done shooting, that it kind of fell right back down to where you were aiming?
Almost exactly where it was.
Yeah. So you didn't shoot.
Okay.
So the fly gets off me.
I seen a can fly.
It went like 30 feet in the air.
Yeah, I wonder what the hell that was. I couldn't remember we had it there even.
Should have went more at an angle at some of your shots, but.
Yeah.
Holy shit, you annihilated the can.
I didn't take too many. Few shots.
Look at that. Pick it up.
Think.
Look at it. It's like totally. Yeah, there's still soda in it. You knocked the top of it off the.
Wow.
The
That's
lid.
where it went in, I think. Or it could have exited. Yeah, it went in there and exited that way. That went really high up in the air.
That's funny. Probably
That was me trying to hit it. All the top ones.
Yeah, this is all. There's a new hole.
I bought some stickers. Here, man.
Way to go, Mary.
Deer flies are over there. You put them over the hole?
Yeah.
No, under.
Oh.
Over.
Over.
Gullible. Yeah, I like forgot I was shooting the can too because I was just trying to hit it and then all of a sudden I see something fly up in the air and I'm like, what the hell was that? Squirrel.
I didn't think it was going to go that high. That's what Vinny said.
The one on the paper down low?
There and there and there. Okay. I'm gone.
He couldn't help but to do quick ones at the end.
I had to do it once. I thought I had 5. That's good. That was